Hi, my name is American Citizen. I use this name because it could be you standing here with this same message. I would like you to know that my family has been devastated, harassed, and dismantled by our government for over 10 years. My family and I are victims of a crime, yet we're treated as the criminal. We've lost our home, land, and every belonging that we ever thought we'd own. We were sick and homeless. We were able to not get any help whatsoever. What caused this was that the court system is being used as a legal system, when in fact it does not uphold the law. Essentially, our nation has already become a police state. My husband and I adopted a child from Russia several years ago. We were told all he needed was good nutrition and love. We gave him that, but that wasn't enough. And soon we found ourselves accessing special education through the school system and the mental health system. When we moved to North Carolina, Yadkin, North Carolina, we were not able to access any kind of intervention of any kind. We demonstrated to the officials there that our son was extremely dangerous and that we needed their help. However, they refused to acknowledge that he needed anything. In fact, they said that we were bad parents. Unfortunately, their denial of any kind of intervention for our son led to all of our family pets being tortured, some of them killed. All the neighborhood animals were disappearing. And worse than that, myself and my children were tortured and abused, secret assault with intent to kill. And this was a very traumatic thing for my family. Unfortunately, it didn't go very well from there either. We took him to the state hospital, and the magistrate committed him, and later he was convicted of an armload of heinous crimes, of which included the secret assault and intent to kill and torture and all that I just mentioned. Then they proceeded to try to take away my other 3 children that were innocent and well. There was no due process in any of the child care hearings. There was no due process in the removal of my son from being able to have contact with us. Basically, we had no parental rights. We wanted him to gain treatment, and he was never able to access that treatment. Yadkin continued to deny him. And they went ahead and billed us for his incarceration, and continued to try to bill us even after we had moved to another state. They lied to the court system, saying he was in foster care, when in fact he was in incarceration. He was in a locked, high-level security facility, and we were protecting our children and ourselves from him. The hearings that I would like to share with you this afternoon are the last couple of hearings that have occurred on this case. It's been to court probably maybe 12 or 14 times, and these are the last couple hearings that I know of. And I would like you to be aware that even after these hearings that I'm showing you, where it was finally decided that the case was denied, and denied with prejudice, somehow or another, after I had moved, the state of Florida decided that they'd hold another hearing without notifying me, and they decided that I owed child support after all. So I would like you to know that you could be in this situation too. This is not the America I was led to believe it was when I was growing up. This is something else posing as the America. Thank you.